Hello everyone, this is Pranjali from Profound EduTech. So in this session, we will understand one problem statement. Okay, first we'll understand the problem statement. Based on that, we'll see algorithm, and with the help of algorithm, we can construct our program in different programming languages. Like first, we will construct our program in C programming language. Then we'll construct our program in C++, and then last we will construct our program with the help of Java programming language. Okay. So now first we'll discuss the problem statement. Now today's problem statement is I want to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. So what do you mean by palindrome string? So string means it is a collection of characters, or you can say sequence of characters. Now, a string is said to be a palindrome if the reverse of string is the same as the string. For example, if we have one string that is A double B A, if we write this string in reverse order, again output will be A, B, B, A. Yes. So A, B, B, A is a palindrome. Why? Because the reverse of A, B, B will be equal to again A, B, B, A. So both of these strings are equal and are said to be a palindrome. But A double B C, it is not palindrome. Why? Because when we write the string in reverse order, output will be C B B A. So exactly same nahi hai, so it is not palindrome. Clear? So now here we will understand this algorithm for palindrome string. So very first we'll discuss algorithm and then we'll define algorithm also. First step is you have to initialize two variables L and H. So L which will from the start and H from the end of given string. Then second step, now we will compare the characters at index L and H with each other. Next, if the characters are not equal, which means strings are not equal, means palindrome. Then if the characters are equal, then we will increment the value of L and will decrement the value of H. Then second step, third step and fourth step will be repeated till one condition, that is L is less than H, or we find unequal characters. So if we reach the condition that is L is less than H, it means all the corresponding characters are equal to the string is palindrome. Okay. See, basically we traverse the string in forward and backward directions, comparing characters at the same distance from start and end. So if we find a pair of distinct characters, then the string is not palindrome. And if we reach the midpoint, then the string is palindrome. Okay. So now we will define algorithm for this palindrome string. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So see, we'll define algorithm for palindrome string. Okay. First, we have discussed you have to initialize two variables. So initialize two variables L from start and H from end of the string. Then second step is now we will compare the characters at index L and H with with each other. Okay. Then third, if the characters are not equal, okay, then string is not palindrome. Okay. And next step, fourth step, that is if the characters are equal, then will increment L and decrement H. Okay. अगर आपके कैरेक्टर्स इक्वल नहीं है तो स्ट्रिंग इज नॉट पैलिंड्रोम. एंड अगर आपके कैरेक्टर्स इक्वल है देन विल इंक्रीमेंट द वैल्यू ऑफ L एंड डिक्रीमेंट द वैल्यू ऑफ H. Then next one is fifth step. Steps second, third, and fourth will be repeated till one condition, that is L is less than H. Okay. Or we find unequal string. Okay. Or unequal characters. Then last step, if we reach condition L is less than H, okay, it means what? It means all the corresponding, okay, all the corresponding characters are equal and string is palindrome. Okay. So now you have to initialize two variables, for example, L and H. Then we'll compare characters at index L and H with each other. Then if your characters are not equal, which means strings are not equal, means palindrome nahi hai. And अगर आपके characters equal है, then we'll increment the value of L and decrement the value of H. Then again हमें repeat करने हैं steps second, third and fourth till one condition, that is L is less than H, or we will find unequal characters. And last, if we reach the condition L is less than H, it means the corresponding characters are equal, means your string is palindrome. Okay. Now, here we'll construct first program with the help of C programming language. So, for C programming language, here I am using online compiler. Okay. So let's construct our program with the help of C programming language. So very first one is link section, that is hash include, okay, hash include stdio.h header file. Now in this program, I'm going to use one more string library function, that is strlen function, to calculate the length of string. So first we'll include string dot h header file also. Okay. Now here I'm initializing one method, that is void is palindrome. So it is my function which has no return type, but I want to pass one parameter. So char str of subscript notation means मैंने एक string pass किया. Now here we'll check our algorithm. क्या है? Initialize two variables. So first L and H initialization. So L equals to 0, then H equals to strlen, okay, of str minus 1. Initialize किया है L means from start and H means from end. So strlen, it is a function which is used to calculate the length of given string. Now we'll define condition. So while L is less than H, or you can define your condition in reverse order also. That is while H is greater than L. Okay. Then if str, we will increment the value of L. Okay. Then is str of L plus plus is not equal to str of H minus minus. Okay. Then if this condition is true, then here I am using printf function. So printf, it is a function which is present in C programming language for printing the data, means that is nothing but for output. So %s means we are printing string, it's palindrome. Again /n for new line. So here also we'll use /n for new line. And at the end we will print, okay, if this condition is true, then %s is not palindrome. Okay. Then we'll print the value of your string variable. And then return state. Okay. Then if block close, while loop close. After this, printf /n% is palindrome. /n for new line, comma, again we will print the value of string. Means if this condition is true, which means your string is not palindrome, and if this condition is false, which means your string is palindrome, then here completion of your method definition. For execution, we need main method. So in main, in this main function, first we'll call our method. So calling function name, and then you can pass your string. Suppose first string I have passed, that is ABBA and return state. Okay. Now we will check output for this program. Okay. Now for execution, click on run. So here it will give you output. Can you see output? ABBA is palindrome. So अगर आपने ABBA रिवर्स ऑर्डर में राइट किया है तो अगेन सेम ही आएगा ABBA. So now it is the palindrome. Instead of that, if we pass different string ABBC, let's check. Now it is not palindrome. आया है ABBC is not palindrome. Clear all of you? So in this way, with the help of your algorithm, we can check whether a given string is palindrome or not. Okay. Now exactly same program will construct with the help of your C++ programming language. So here we'll select C++ language and then we'll construct our program. Okay. So first we need linked section for C++ hash include IO string. Again, same string function we need. So we'll use hash include string dot h header file, and then here using namespace std. Main function, so int main. First we'll declare strings. So char str1 of 20 and then str2 of 20. Then we'll declare variables I, j, then length len equals to 0 and we'll use one more variable that is flag equal to 0. Now we'll give one message to the user. So in C programming language, printf function is used to print the data or it is used for output. But in C++, cout function is used for output. So we'll give one message cout double quotes, enter your string. Okay. Here we can use cin function in C++ to accept the value from user. जैसे C programming language में standard function use होता है. Exactly same in C++ we can use the cin, but here I am using getS function of str1. Okay. So getS function of str1. Instead of this, we can use a cin function also. Then we'll use len equals to strlen function, exactly same as previous. str1 of len equals to strlen str1 minus 1. We'll use for loop to iterate the value. So I equals to len. We'll initialize j ka value, that is 0. We'll define condition I is greater than and equals to 0. Then I minus minus and will increment the value of j. Then str2 of j equals to str1 of I, means we are transferring the value of str1 into the str2 and we'll compare these two strings. If strcmp, again it is a function which is used to compare two strings, str1 comma str2. If these two strings are equal, then we'll define flag equal to 1. And we will check if your flag equals to 1, which means strings are not equal, means palindrome nahi. So cout str1 double quotes is not a palindrome and then semicolon. Else again printing cout str1 double quotes is a palindrome. Okay. And then a return statement return 0. Now we'll check output. So it's warning. Okay, just a moment. It's spelling mistake. Flag. Okay. And then run. So it is giving us warning for getAs function. But आपका program execute हो रहा है. Enter your string, suppose level. So can you see level is a palindrome. Level string को अगर आपने reverse order में write किया है, so still it is giving you same output. So it is a palindrome. And next, again we'll enter another string ABBC. Can you see now it is not a palindrome? Okay. So in this way, you can check whether your particular string is palindrome or not. So now we have constructed our program in C, then C++ also. Now we will construct our program in Java programming language. So for that I am using one IDE, that is Eclipse. So we'll create one new class in this package. Suppose palindrome string. I want main method and then finish. So here class, public class, palindrome string and then main method. Again here I want to accept string from user. So in C programming language we have used printf and scanf function. In C++, cout and cin function is used for output and input. In Java, one class is used and name of that class is a scanner class. You will get this class in java.util package. So first, हमें वो package import करना. So let's import the package. That is import java.util.we need scanner class. So import java.util.scanner. Within this main function will declare scanner class sc equals to new scanner and then system.in. Now here first we'll give one message. So here system.out.println method is used for output. So we'll give one message, enter your string. Okay. Then we'll accept the string into one variable, that is string input equal to sc dot next or next line method. Okay. We'll give here one message with the help of system dot out dot printf function. Double quotes is %s means your string a palindrome. Okay. And then question mark, then colon, %b, %n. I'm using here printf function. That's why %b I'm using. And then comma. We will print string, that is input, and then we'll call our function, that is a palindrome, and where we'll pass one parameter, that is input. Okay. So right now it is giving us error because हमने ये function construct नहीं किया. We'll construct this function, this method also. Okay. Now here main function close. Now we'll define our function, that is public static boolean. Means now here it will give you output in true and false. That's why I'm giving return a type, that is boolean. Then your method name, that is palindrome. Okay. And now here we'll pass one string, that is string, suppose input. Printf. Okay. Then each palindrome, it is my method. Here we'll check one condition. If your string means input equal to null, okay, or input dot is empty, okay. So if these two conditions आपके प्रोग्राम में आते हैं, तो here we will return true, okay. But here we'll define one character array. So char subscript notation array equal to input dot to char array. It is a method. And now here we'll use one class. Name of my class is a string builder class. So for this class package import करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This class is present in java.lang package. It is a default package of Java. So string builder class I am using because I want to use one method from string builder class. So string builder sb equal to new string builder, and here we are passing input dot length function. So length, it is a function which is present in your class. Then we'll use for int I equal to input dot length minus 1. Then I is greater than and equals to 0, and we are decrementing the value of I, that is I minus minus. And we'll use here append method, which will append your string equal to sb dot toString method. And then last, okay, sb dot append, just a moment, sb dot append, here we'll use array of I, okay. Then outside this for loop, we'll define one string. Suppose reverse of string equals to sb dot toString method, okay. And then we'll use return statement, that is return input dot equals method will use to check whether these strings are equal or not, okay. So now done with this program. Now Java में भी हमने construct किया है program. We'll execute our program. Enter your string. Suppose level. So is level is palindrome? Yes, it is a palindrome. तो आया है message true. Means ये string palindrome string है. Instead of that, if we enter different credentials, A, B, C, D, now it is not palindrome. That's why value आया है false. Clear? So in this way, you can construct your program in C, C++ as well as in Java programming language. So palindrome string means when we pass one string, after printing the string in reverse order, exactly same string जो आपने previously enter किया था वो same चाहिए. For example, A. Reverse order में write करोगे तो same A. So now it is a palindrome. अगर different है तो it is not palindrome. Okay. So in this way, you can check whether the particular string is palindrome or not. Okay. So we'll stop here for the day. Thank you.